Choosing the right septic system products. A well-maintained septic system is essential for a healthy home. The right products can extend its lifespan, prevent costly repairs, and protect the environment. From bacterial additives to septic-safe cleaning supplies, selecting the best options ensures efficiency and sustainability. Understanding your septic system. A septic system processes household wastewater through a septic tank and a drain field. Solids settle in the tank, while liquids filter into the drain field for treatment. Using appropriate products helps maintain this process effectively. Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Key septic system products. 1. Bacterial and enzymatic additives. These break down organic waste, reducing sludge buildup. Enzymes help dissolve fats, oils, and grease, FOG, preventing blockages. 2. Septic-safe toilet paper. Regular toilet paper may clog the system. Septic-safe varieties dissolve faster, reducing strain on the tank. 3. High-efficiency water softeners. Traditional water softeners discharge excess sodium, disrupting bacteria in the tank. Choosing low-salt alternatives preserves balance. 4. Septic-safe cleaning products. Harsh chemicals kill beneficial bacteria. Use biodegradable, non-antibacterial cleaners to maintain a healthy system. 5. Effluent filters. These prevent solid waste from clogging the drain field, extending the system's life. Regular maintenance is essential. 6. Septic tank alarms. Alarms warn of high liquid levels, helping to detect problems early and avoid costly repairs. Best practices for maintenance. 1. Pump regularly, every 3 to 5 years, depending on usage. 2. Dispose properly, avoid flushing grease, chemicals, and non-biodegradable items. 3. Conserve water, install low-flow fixtures and fix leaks. 4. Protect the drain field, keep heavy objects off to prevent damage. Choosing the right septic system products ensures efficiency and longevity. By using bacterial additives, septic-safe products, and proper monitoring tools, homeowners can protect their systems and avoid costly repairs. Regular maintenance and smart product choices lead to a hassle-free and sustainable septic system. Worried about your septic tank? Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year by using Septifix? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching.